Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to record your webcam using ActivePresenter. As you know that ActivePresenter is a free software for creating online training video. You can use it to record your computer screen with your webcam, audio and system sound completely free, and you can export your video or your project into MP4 or AVI to upload to YouTube, and all the basic function like screen recording, webcam recording, audio recording, and some basic editing stuff are free, and you don't have to purchase a license to do the screen recording or some basic editing in this program. By the way, there's some advanced feature like zoom and pan and green screen or stuff like that, or export your project into HTML file will leave a watermark on the output, and all other stuff like adding annotation, adding text and transition and animation are free. Okay, so if you want to use this software, I will put the link in the description for you, and if you want to purchase their license like the standard license or pro version, pro license, you can use my 15% discount coupon code to save your money. And actually this video is recorded in ActivePresenter, and you can see that the video quality is very good, right? And now I'm using my DSLR as a webcam, and it is okay to use with ActivePresenter. By the way, you can use your built-in webcam or an USB webcam like my Logitech or stuff like that. It should be okay too. Okay, so let's go to my computer screen. I will show you how to record your webcam, and with some setting and also some editing tips in ActivePresenter. Okay, let's go. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the timeline for my webcam recording in ActivePresenter. And actually I have my webcam video here, and I also have my screen video here. So when you want to record only your webcam, you still need to record your computer screen together with the webcam. By the way, you can easily delete the screen video, so you only keep your webcam here, for example, and then you can resize your webcam and move your webcam to anywhere on the screen if you like. And I think that this is one of the most important function of ActivePresenter that many teachers will love it. Okay, for example, I can put my webcam here, and now I have this is my webcam on the timeline. I can do some cut and trim or stuff like that. For example, if I want to split the video, I can do like this, and then I'm going to insert another part here at the webcam, or I can just copy my webcam or stuff like that. And there are many editing tools here. You can also resize the webcam, and if you have a green screen behind your subject, you can also key out the green background with ActivePresenter. By the way, it is an advanced feature in the software, so you have to pay for it. Okay, and for example here I can put it here. So there's many things you can do with your webcam after you finish your recording. And it is the audio from my microphone, and it is a system sound. Alright, so let me show you how to record your webcam from the beginning, and with some setting. Let's go to the start page. I'm going to click here and then go to the start page. So this is the user interface that you see when you open ActivePresenter, when you download and install it on your computer. And again, I want to remind you that this is a free software, and you can try it with the link I put in the description. So don't forget to try it. It is free. Why not? Okay. So to start your screen recording or webcam recording, you can click here at the record video. So do not click here at the record software simulation, because it is another interesting feature in ActivePresenter. By the way, it is only used for software simulation. Okay, so we're going to click here at the record video. So you can see here, this is the toolbar of ActivePresenter, and you can see it is very easy to navigate. On the left side, you have the record screen option. This is the full screen, and it is a specific screen with a size, and you can click this button to select full screen or other side if you want, or you can select customize to record an area on the screen. By the way, I'm going to record full screen because I will not use the screen video in my recording. I only want to record my webcam, right? Okay, so there's some other option here. By the way, you have to take care of this one. This is a webcam recording function, and this is the audio from your microphone. You can select your microphone with your built-in microphone or USB microphone on your computer. Okay, and you can choose to record system sound or not. In this case, I will select do not record system sound. Okay, and here we have the volume adjustment, and you can volume controller. You can adjust the volume here. Okay, just make sure that you don't see the yellow line or red line here, otherwise your audio will be distorted. You will see distortion in your audio. Okay, so here the webcam option, you can click this menu to select the webcam you want to record. For example, this is my integrated webcam, and this is my EOS webcam utility. So now I'm currently using my DSLR as a webcam. So yeah, so that is the reason why you don't see me at the corner of the screen, because I'm using another screen recording software to record ActivePresenter. Okay, and you can click here for further setting about your webcam. Click here and you have some simple setting about the color space, about the output size and the frame rate, and you can click apply. If you want to go back to the timeline, I'll go back to the toolbar, and there's some more setting here at the right corner. You can click here at the gear icons, and then you can select recording setting. So when you click the recording setting, you have some option for your webcam. This is for the audio and the video of the screen, and this is the webcam setting. At the webcam setting, you can change the codec. For example, currently I'm using H.264 to record and decode and encode my video. By the way, you can choose an older codec, flash screen video if you want, but normally we can keep it at H.264 to get the best video quality. Okay, so I'm going to click OK, and now we're going to click save, and now we can start my webcam recording. Okay, so I'm going to click record. Now it will count down 3, 2, 1, and once you start your screen recording or webcam recording, your ActivePresenter will be here at the notification area, and you can simply click it, and you will see another toolbar. This is the toolbar where your ActivePresenter is recording your webcam, and you see the frames and the number of frame and number of raw frame and video and the duration, and also you will see the audio level, and you can pause the recording and stop the recording, or you can also click here to delete the recording. Okay, so that is very simple, right? For example, you have something to talk here, and then you can click this button to stop. I'm going to stop it. Now we have the slide, and this is a video editor inside ActivePresenter. You can see here, this is my webcam. Okay, so this is a video, this is a screen, and this is a webcam. If you don't want to use the screen, you can just select the track or the timeline, and then you can delete it. And this is my webcam. As you can see here, I can move it around the screen, and I can resize it and make it fit with the screen. This is the background, and this is the audio. So now I'm going to play the video. Okay, your screen recording or webcam recording, your ActivePresenter will be here at the notification area, and you can simply click, and you can see that the video quality is very nice, right? So that is how you can record your webcam with ActivePresenter. And being mentioned that you have many options here, such as the split tools and speed tool, and also you can adjust the volume of your audio and all the stuff like that here in ActivePresenter. And you can add a lot of things here. At the insert tab, you can add shape and a shape like this, and you can add arrows and stuff like that, and you can also add text caption, and so many things in this software. I think it is one of the best software for creating online training video, okay, and even e-learning courses. Alright, so I'm going to delete this one. And what if you want to export your webcam into a video like MP4 or AVI for uploading to YouTube? Okay, so it is very easy. For example, here's my webcam, and now I'm going to the export tab here, and then I'm going to select video. and now we have the some option here. By the way, all you need to do is to select a video format here. The quality you can keep it 70%, and this is the name of the video. So I'm going to say this one is webcam video. Okay, and this is a folder where I save my video. By the way, I'm going to click OK, and now the program will start exporting my webcam video. That is very easy, right? So that is how you can record your webcam with ActivePresenter. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. If you have any further question, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. And once you start your screen recording or webcam recording, your ActivePresenter will be here at the notification area, and you can simply click it, and you will see another toolbar. This is the toolbar where your ActivePresenter is recording your webcam, and you see the frames and the number of frame and number of raw frame and video and the duration, and also you will see the audio level, and you can pause the recording and stop the recording, or you can also click here to delete the recording. Okay, so that is very simple, right? For example, you have something to talk here, and then you can click this button to stop